So we just left Andrew. It's back there in the bedroom, and this hose is connected to that extreme extractor that he's using to suck all the water out of the carpet pad. And as you see here in this area, the crew has already been through and they have removed the baseboards. And the reason we removed that baseboard is you see here where water has already started to wick up the drywall, and it just acts like a sponge. And if we're not able to get airflow and get this dry, you risk the potential of getting microbial growth or having a mold issue. So we'll follow this hose out and show you the extraction machine that's on our truck is helping us pull all that water out.